Okay. So what are you noticing here? Let's suppose you got a cut on your hand. So what it would be? It will cure or not? Obviously it will, but not in one day. At first day, the blood will stop slowly and slowly. And at the second day, the cut will start to cure. And at the third day, the cut will fully cure. And at the fourth day, the red blood cells will begin to new tissues, and the new tissues will begin to provide new healing. So as the time is passing, the cut mark is healing. Same in the era of time heals all wounds. Time heals all wounds, said by Rose Fitzgerald Kennedy. According to people, time heals all wounds day by day. But I want to know from you all that what you think. Time heals all wounds or not? Okay, let me tell you. Time heals all wounds, but not in one day. Let's take example. If there is a person who is dealing some kind of depression or sadness, but if he or she will not give the proper time to himself or herself, then it is possible to overcome of it. No, it is not possible because everything needs enough time, and that is the special thing about time. The time heals all wounds. And it's all up to you also that how you handle everything to get rid of it. Let me make more clear about it. When it is true that time can provide a certain level of comfort and perspective, but it does not always lead to a true healing. Because time is not alone the responsible of your emotional wound and all the sadness and depression. Time is not alone responsible. That's why let's time handle everything. A well-intentioned advice may be the worst advice for anyone. You know why? Because we don't know who is trying to regain their happiness and who is trying to overcome from the emotional pain. So, if someone is dealing some kind of depression, I want to say you that please give time to yourself. That time, and believe that time heals all wounds. For some people, it may work and it may help. That time can consume everything and the people will be healed after some time. But for some people, it may not work. But you have to believe in line that time heals all wounds. At the end, I want to say that वक्त की सबसे बड़ी खासियत यही होती है, जख्म देने के बाद भी दवा यही बनती है. Thank you so much. If you want to see me in the final round, then please vote for me.